friends, how are you all? Have you watched my last to last video where I have explained the thoughts beyond NEET, JEE, UPSC, those things? If you have not watched, please go through that and you will know, you will have some clarity. Today we will discuss about a case study. A student came to me in class 9th. This year he has appeared the 10th board. We'll see. But before going to the topic, let us see what is the difference between the mindset, or yes, I would say it is a mindset that is laborer, craftsman and an artist. What is the difference? Laborer means actually without clarity, he has just aimed to pass the exam. He has to follow the instructions. He follows the instruction. This is a laborer mindset. Then craftsman, who actually works smart and also aim for better, need guidance. You also divide students according to that. Then the last one, the artist. He has the creativity and they are the super achievers. They have creativity, innovations, they have skill set, everything. So which category you are and who as a person, how you want to develop yourself from one step like laborer to craftsman, then craftsman to actually artist. Just think of, write down now where you are. Let's go back to the topic. Before that, I'm welcoming you to my channel at the rate Pratap Harichandan in the bucket Atindriyam, where we are building super achievers by integrating sixth sense, learning, health, spirituality. All the things are integrated so that you develop yourself holistically to live a purposeful, joyful and rich life. Please don't forget to share my videos and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, because I want to develop a community of super achievers and it is possible through you only. Please help me to develop this community of super achievers. I would like to add one more thing. If you are really interested to know about career options available, how it is determined, how it is the AI career assessment test, what are the different streams, basic career options available, I have written a book, The Intelligent Choice. It is available in Amazon. The link is given below in the video. And please go through this book. It doesn't cost much, just 450 or something like that. Just go through. What is the present rate? I don't know. It will be around that only. Please go through that. So the case study, the class 9 student who came to me, now he has appeared for the class 10th board. Let us see the basic profile. We'll see from the basic profile. Name is Rahul, age is 14, class 9th, and background is a middle class. He is from a village and Oriya medium. Okay, and interest, what are his interests? Cricket and playing and the basic knowledge about the subjects. That goal, secure and stable job. This is his goal he has set, and open to better career options. That also came after counseling for the better career options. So this is the basic profile of the student. Let's have the 5-year plan, how it has been designed. Class 9 to 10. Age will be between, as I told, 14 years, or it will be between 14 to 15 years. And it is actually exploration stage, 9th and 10th. Objective, what is the objective? Within this 9 to 10, develop discipline, curiosity, confidence, discuss the strong points, weak points, and develop the skill set. Which skill set you want to develop? See, something you have to analyze yourself first. Then I advise him to take the AI career assessment test. He took the test, and as per that, the result, you see, just I also extrapolated from the result. The subject wise, if you see, his performance also I integrated. Math, it is low, that means weak. Science is average, SST is average, English is weak, MIL, Odia is strong, Sanskrit language is strong. This is the analysis, career assessment test, my personal assessment. So I told him to join the Super Achievers program, that is Atindriyam's Super Achievers program. So he joined. So let's have the plan, because first thing we have to go to the fundamental things. He has to develop academic skills, so that improve in the subjects percentage marks in the class tests or appeal exam, annual exams. I forgot. His average percentage till class 8 is 50 to 60%. So now, first we design a timetable. His study timetable, different for school days and different for holidays. And also my coaching also with him. And 2 days mathematics, 2 days science, 2 days English, and 1 day SST. This is the designed timetable for him. Hours, it is just you see 1 to 2 hours, so it is adjusted in a week's time or in a month's time. It is adjusted as per the performance in the mock tests. And mock tests are taken once in a month for all the subjects: math, science, English. I did not take the test for SST. This is the plan, study plan. So what next? We have to develop what skills he has to develop, because only academic performance, it is not going to help you. It is 100% proven. If you are only academically performing and you do not have any skill like English speaking skills, writing skills, English writing skills, or if you say creativity skills, creativity skills, innovation skills, leadership skills, team building skills. These are the things. That means these things can be seen if he is participating all the activities that is happening in the school. How he's participating the activities in the school's competitions are happening. So first I could make out he has to develop a writing skill in English also speaking skills. These are the 2 skills I just advised him to develop. I also helped him to develop. Writing, yes, now if you see, I'm just telling you, now if I see, presently he has better writing skills than earlier one. And career awareness, I just told him, as per him, the secure or stable job, what are the jobs prospects in government jobs like railway jobs or banking jobs or staff selection commission, or Odisha state staff selection commission or center staff selection commission. Those things are government jobs which are stable and secure. He was aware of these things after I told him. And what is the target academic performance for the class 10th? It is 85%. In 9th, what he secured is around 60%. Same, there was no development. Yes, only one thing he could develop, that he started studying himself. Earlier, he was not at all studying himself. Just go to the tuition class 2 times, morning and evening, and go back to home, just relax. But I forced him to have a study timetable, as I told you, and follow that timetable. I was completely monitoring his timetable with his parents also, whether he is studying as per the timetable or not. Complete macro level, I was monitoring. So this is the second step. Now the plan, because he has appeared for the class 10th board and the target I have set is 85%. he has done well. Only doubt is English paper. Otherwise, all other papers are science also. Some doubt in science also. Let us see. My target, he has also confirmed that 80 to 85% is confident. Okay. Now the plan, class 11, 12 or something else. What is the bigger plan for him? What I have planned that I am telling you right now. Because the streams for the class 10th, commerce is completely not interested at all. Science, some bit, yes, no. Arts, some bit also, yes, no. 50-50, arts also 50-50. So parallelly, what he has to take care or grow, he has to take care of his health. Some instructions I have given him, he's following those also, because he has to get up in the morning. Some rituals I have told him, because if you don't have a healthy body, you cannot have a healthy mind. Because that's why I'm integrating health and spirituality also. So I gave him another plan, a bigger plan. What do you know? Are you really interested to know? So I made a plan that go for diploma in engineering in government engineering schools, because he is confirming that 80 to 85%, 100% you will get a diploma course in electronics, electrical. These two are the choices, or mechatronics. These three are the choices I have given him. After that, in Bhubaneswar, we have a World Skill Center, which is a fantastic world famous institute. That institute give training for 1 year, advanced training 1 year in electrical engineering, then mechatronics engineering, then air conditioning and refrigeration. 4-5 things they are giving 1 year training, and placement is around 90%. This is the plan I have given you. So because this is nearby, it is in Bhubaneswar. So after diploma, he has to go for 1 year advanced training in World Skill Center. 100% secure job is there, because 90% of students are being placed. You can see the record. Go to the World Skill Center, Bhubaneswar. If you are also interested, you can also do that course. So this is the plan I have given him, a bigger plan. See, once you do some course and you are in the market, once you get a job, then you can grow by your own proactive actions. Because if you want to grow in your life, initial steps is being seen. Once you go to the market, you can know the market, what is the demand, or how you can develop yourself, how you can want to grow, how much money you want to, those things earn, those things you can know from the market. But you need also a mentor. I'll be mentoring him till he is settled. This is my promise to him. So if you are interested to join the Super Achievers Transformation Program, that advertisement will come. You can join that course. First, it is 5-day class. That is the minimum course fee. You can join that course. I'm designing that course, 5-day Super Achievers Transformation Program. So at last, I advising him, now start with small, dream big, and plan smart. Always start with small. You must have a big dream, but start with the small. Also take action smartly by planning smartly. So this is the case study that I just doing right now, and helping that student to achieve a better career options, to live a purposeful, joyful, and rich life, which is the motto of this Super Achievers program, Atindriyam. Okay, this all about the student case study. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. All the love, all the power. Yes, anything you want to know more, please DM me. Thank you.